Welcome to our Native American Museum exhibit of the Iroquois tribe. We're here to tell you all about the Iroquois tribe and how they survived in the wilderness. Can you imagine how they lived with nothing but their surroundings?
Geography and climate. The Iroquois tribe had a mild climate. Actually, the weather, rainforest, and climate were very similar to ours. There was vast forest full of different types of trees and a decent amount of rainfall. There was an ocean for fishing and canoeing. The rivers were very helpful for the Iroquois Indians too.
How did they get their food and what did they eat? The Iroquois hunted deer and bears. Another way they got some of their food was fishing. They also grew crops such as corn, beans, and squash. These three crops are known as the Three Sisters. They also gathered nuts, fruits, and berries. Some products, maple syrup from tree sap.
Clothing was made by women. Women dried and stretched certain parts of the animal, such as deer, for thread or sewing. Animal hides were used for the cloth to make clothing. The Iroquois wore legging skirts, capes, and winter coats. The Iroquois sharpened antlers and bones to make some utensils and knives.
Shelter. The Iroquois had only one type of shelter, which was the longhouse. The longhouse was a rectangular shaped shelter with a curved roof. The frame was made out of poles cut from young trees, which were then bent and covered with bark. Holes in the roof let out smoke from central fires, and the longhouses could fit 4 to 5 families.
Resources were used a lot just like they are today. Some natural resources are rivers, lakes, rainfall, streams, sap, reeds, nuts, and berries. Human resources are gatherers, fishermen, farmers, builders, and pottery makers. Examples of capital resources for the Iroquois are canoes, tools, bentwood tools, fishing materials, arrows, thread, and baskets.
Location and name. The location of the Iroquois tribe was north, east, north, and south. The location was like ours near this area. The tribe was located in the coastal plain region, located north of
One of the contributions is the love of nature. One of the contributions is the love of nature. Another contribution is pottery. There's art as another contribution. There's also lacrosse as a contribution because the Indians first played lacrosse and my family plays lacrosse today.
Government, economics, and civics. The Iroquois formed the Iroquois League of Peace. This act as a confederation. The Iroquois traded wampums for other goods they couldn't provide or make with their resources. A civic they had was a settle disputes with peace.
Compare and contrast. The Pueblo had an irrigation route, and the Iroquois didn't have an irrigation system. The Pueblo didn't have trees, and the Iroquois had vast forests full of trees. The Iroquois had plenty of rain, and the Pueblo had very little rainfall. The Iroquois had a mild climate, and the Pueblo had a hot and dry.
That's how the Iroquois survived and lived.
Very good. Yay! I'm going to get a close-up of your display here. Do you all have any questions for them or comments?
That was really good. Yeah. What did they make that across? wood and
rope, yarn,
what's a dispute?
It's like an argument.
Another longhouse there. Is that a wampum belt there? What were the wampum belts made out of? And what did they use them for again?
Trading.
For trading.